Hello students, welcome back in maths class. Today's topic is bar graph. A bar graph is the representation of data in pictorial and graphical form. Sometimes it is difficult to draw some conclusion from a given large number of numerical data in a tabular form. It takes a long time to understand the data. But if the data is represented pictorially or graphically, it becomes easier to understand and analyze. Now let me take one example. In a class where a lot of students are there and the teacher had asked the students to tell which is their favorite fruits और चॉइस थी 4 टाइप्स की फ्रूट की एप्पल मैंगो ग्रेप्स एंड बनाना. So some students said I like apple, some said I like banana, some oranges and some grapes. तो सबकी different choice थी. So in a class there are 150 students. So it is very difficult to represent this data in a form of a table because table will actually go very long. So one nice way of representing this data is using graph. So on screen you can see a bar graph. These are rectangular graph using different color. So these bars represent the frequency of each particular item. For example, 60 students said their favorite fruit is apple. So red bar graph shows 60 students like apple and yellow bar graph is showing 45 students like mango and this pink bar graph is also showing 30 students like grapes and green bar graph क्या शो कर रहा है 20 students like banana. So it becomes easier to understand. Now let's see exercise 3.2 question number 1. Use the table to construct a bar graph to display the information about the number of refrigerator boxes sold by a shopkeeper in the first half of 2010. So student, see this table very carefully. So let's see how you will construct a bar graph. First of all, take a graph paper and draw two lines perpendicular to each other. See OY and OX. These two lines are perpendicular to each other and O is origin. Next step is label x-axis as month and y-axis number of refrigerator sold by a shopkeeper. Next is we'll write here scale of y-axis is equal to 10 refrigerators. 1 unit y-axis में हमने 1 unit में 10 refrigerators लिए थे. So we'll write here scale of, it is very important, 1 unit is equal to 10 refrigerators. And on x-axis we'll take equal gap, okay, for rectangular bar graph January to June. इस तरह से हमने इसको ड्रॉ किया और सारे मंथ हमने यहाँ पर लिखे हैं एंड राइट नंबर्स ऑफ दीज. जनवरी में 10, फरवरी 10, मार्च 25 से 25, अप्रैल 35, मई 45 and June 60. So this bar graph is completed. Shade or color the bars to make the data attractive. It's your choice. Now come to the question number 2. Given is the data about the number of Maruti cars sold by a shop during the 6 months from April to September in 2011. Draw the bar graph and then answer the questions given below. See this answer number 2. Completed bar graph. In answer number 1, I have explained step by step. So I think you can understand this question easily. See on y-axis number of cars, on x-axis months, and scale 1 unit is equal to 10 cars, and on x-axis there are rectangular bar graph. Okay, so same है, this question is same as question number 1, but one important thing is here कि smallest number is here 130. 130 से पहले see here यहाँ पर 10 का गैप नहीं है. सो क्योंकि हमें इसके प्रीवियस नंबर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं थी, सो वी आर राइट हेयर किंक. हम इसे कहते हैं किंक. ठीक है, जब भी हमें इससे पहले के नंबर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती तो हम इस तरह से इसको किंक का साइन बनाते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी आर स्टार्टिंग हेयर 130 to 140, फिर इक्वल गैप लेकर कंप्लीट करते हैं. ओके. In this question, some more question also given related this bar graph. See A part, minimum sale. See here minimum sale मई में हुई थी, maximum sale जुलाई में 180. And third question is compare the total number of cars sold by April to June. April to June हम काउंट करेंगे 170, 130 and 175, इन तीनों को काउंट करेंगे और कंपेयर करने के लिए कहा है जुलाई टू सितंबर. सो जुलाई टू सितंबर को भी हम काउंट करेंगे और कंपेयर मीन्स दो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू में से मिनिमम वैल्यू को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना. एंड डी पार्ट फाइंड द रेशो ऑफ मिनिमम द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. मिनिमम इज़ 130 एंड मैक्सिमम इज़ 180. सो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड दिस आंसर? सी दिस आंसर. सी हियर वी आर राइटिंग हियर. A part is minimum sale May, maximum sale July. April to June 475 cars, July to September 510 cars. और हमने कंपेयर किया 510 subtract 475, there are 35 cars more sold during July to September. And D part minimum and maximum का रेशो दिया है 130 रेशो 180. their answer is 13 रेशो 18. Now your exercise is over. Now students, let's go through some questions to quickly recall what you have learned in exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. See, answer number 1 is first 5 whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the mean, formula, sum of the observation divide by number of observation. So here the sum of observation is 2 and 1, 3, 3, 3, 6 and 4, 10 upon 5. Your answer is 2. Question number 2. Find the median of 3, 1, 5, 6, 3, 4 and 7. See answer. First we arrange the given data in ascending order. See 1 and 3 is 2 times 3. After that 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we are finding median. See here center number. See, so what is center number? 4. This is answer. Question number 3. Find the mode of given data. See answer of this question. See this data carefully. See 2 have maximum frequency. See mode is equal to 2. So student, exercise 3.2 is over. I hope you understood the construction of bar graph. Thank you. Take care.